Hello guys, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW in Charlestown. My name is Killian and today we're going to be showing you our 2026 BMW 220 M Sport Pro. This is our 1.5 litre petrol mild hybrid and it's finished in a lovely black sapphire metallic. As this is a lovely spec today, I'm going to talk you through a few very different exterior and interior options for the vehicle. Most notably up front, we're going to have our 19-inch alloy M Sport wheels. Along with this, with the M Sport Pro, we're going to get a red caliper M Sport brakes, our M Sport suspension, and then we're going to have a shadow line exterior, giving us a full blacked out look coming across the classic kidney grills, and then onto the adaptive BMW LED headlights as well. We've got a black window trim line as stated, fall across all of the car. We also then are going to have our boot lid spoiler with the M Sport Pro. As we open up the boot, we're going to see that we've plenty of space in the back of the 2 Series, along with having extra storage below, so you can keep any accessories or anything that you need to keep in the car just below here. Making our way to our interior, we're going to have our comfort pack and our technology pack on the car as well. We do have our lovely black and red accent leather interior, really lovely touch, along with having a panoramic sunglass roof as well. Sitting into the car, first things first, we're going to turn on the vehicle. As we do so, we're going to see that we have our instrument cluster display screen, as well as having our infotainment as well. We do of course have our media controls, telephone and navigation controls, as well as having Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In reverse gear, we're going to see our reversing camera. We're then going to have our ultrasonic parking sensors front and rear, along with our park assist and reversing assistant. Down to our M Sport steering wheel, we're going to have our sports automatic transmission paddle shifters, as well as having our cruise control on the left hand side, and then some more media functions on the right hand side. We do as well have our automatic windows and our folding mirrors for the car as well. And with this, we're also going to have our dual climate control zone in the vehicle, giving us all of our temperature and ventilation controls, as well as having our 2 front heated seats. Wireless charging as well with the car. Along with this, we're going to have our ambient lighting coming across parts of our dash. Open up the sunglass roof, we're going to see it's a really lovely touch on the car. Can be fully retracted as well, along with having our curtain coming on the top now as well. Back seats then as well, we're going to have an ISOFIX child seating support system in the back, along with having plenty of leg room, as well as extra storage beside our glove compartment and inside of the door cards as well. So this is the car we have today, guys. It's a really lovely spec. If you guys are interested in purchasing this vehicle, you can do so at Joe Duffy BMW and across all of our various car selling websites. And every BMW approved and used car that we sell is going to come with a 2-year warranty on the vehicle. And if you guys have any further queries or you'd like to book a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact us. That's going to be all, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you all have an amazing day. Bye bye.